Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a new video on something that I've been trying on from last 2 years and now it's hyped in the market. So I'll just share what it is. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. So these all are sheet masks. Okay, so what are sheet masks? Sheet mask is been originated in a country called Korea. I'm not sure it's Korea, Japan or China who invented it, but it's definitely Korea, through which it's gone abroad and all over the world, and globally it's ranking. So basically what is sheet mask? You get a sheet mask in a packet like this. You need to tear it, and it's like a tissue paper in cloth, tissue paper, which is of the design is like your face. This part is open, this part is open, and your lips part is open. So basically it's a tissue paper which is dipped into all the nutrients, like according to what type of sheet mask it is, and you just need to put it. So the best funda about this is that you don't need to carry 10 different things. Like you don't need to carry rose water, you don't need to carry the powder, you don't need to carry if you want to do it for acne, do I need tea tree, do I need peppermint, do I need rose water, do I need sandalwood? So you don't need hundreds of things. Okay, you just need one sheet mask and it's done. So like every sheet mask has a cost, like it's there only for that basic cost. Like for example, it must be there for moisture, it can be for the glow and various other things. So I've been using this from a very long time, and this is a long due YouTube thing that I had to only do it. So basically Korea is filled with beauty industries. It ranks, so it's like I think it's on the top now in all over in all over the world, in skincare or stuff that is coming in the market and all. So I'll just share what stuff I have and what types of sheets masks are there. So first, coming to my favorite brand. So this is by a brand Nature's Republic. So basically there is I have the variants in bamboo, in acai berry and in avocado, and this is just a basic sheet mask. It's like you just need to put it because you need to put a face pack on your face. So this is something related to bamboo, and these two are fruit face masks. Now coming to the other lot, so it's these three ones. So one is the rose one, the other is the strawberry one, and the other is again the aloe one. Okay, I have more, like I have tons and tons of Innisfree with me. So this is kiwi. Okay, and these are the two ones which I have got. One is green tea and one is cucumber. Okay, so basically these are just general masks. General masks are divided into two categories. Either they are made by fruit extracts or vegetable extracts, or something related to stems where there is not lot of technology is not used or whatever. So they are doing it like these are all natural stuff. There are many more sheet masks that are available in the market. So one is the collagen one, which is this. So this is like a 3-step thing. So the first step here is an anti-aging active amule. Okay, so you need to put this first, and get decked up. Now you need to put the sheet mask. Now you need to put this sheet mask. This is like step number 2, and after removing the sheet mask, this is the third step, that is you need to apply an anti-aging cream. So this is one more type of sheet mask apart from the fruit and the flower one. The other one which I have here is this pearl ampule. Okay, I'll list all the companies and where you can buy this below, because even I ordered and I got huge. I had ordered a huge I did a huge haul for sheet mask. I wanted this brand, I wanted that brand. So I'll just list on everything whatever. So the other one is this pearl one, and this, what is the purpose of this? Wait, I'll just show it to you. It's like this. I hope it's visible. So it is what holds moisture on your skin for a long time with cellulose sheet. It helps to refresh and resilient skin by using 3-4 times or for a week. Okay, see, first of all these instructions are written in Korean. So there are only two brands that I would suggest, and that is Innisfree and Face Shop, which have all the instructions. Wait, I'll show you the Innisfree one. Shit, where did it go? Okay, so this is the Innisfree one, where everything whatever is mentioned here is in English. So you know what you're putting on your face and all. So this is like you are relaxed ki ha, okay fine, I know what is going on. The other type of mask that I have, see, this is the AC dressing, okay? So this is something that's different, and it's it is like, it's according to the anti-aging thing, it is according to that cause, and this is not used by using any it's not by a fruit or a plant. So I'll tell you what this is made of. So this is AC dressing intensive care mask. Applying nourishing essence on face care mask improves facial skin tone and tired looking skin more elastic and healthy. So here also it is like step 1, step 2 and step 3. And sorry, the ingredients are in Korean. I am learning Korean and I'm on level 2 and I'll be passed in a month. I know I have to give my finals for level 2 and all, and I'm really proud about it. I can read all this for you, but then it will not make any sense because it will take me a lot of time, and I don't think you guys have that much time. So I have one more type of what do you say, sheet mask, and this is made from Aquaring ampule. So I think it's something related to water. They've taken water as a substance and made this. So like I showed you, I have a lot of brands. I have Innisfree, I have Mediheal, I have what is this, AC dressing, then I have Greenif, okay, I have Kraker, I have Masquerade if I'm not wrong, I have Innisfree, and I have I have Nature's Republic, and I have much more sheet masks of other companies, but I think Innisfree and Face Shop are the best, and that are readily available in India online. First they only had shops in Delhi, like Innisfree only had it in Delhi and it was not there anywhere. So now it's available online all over India. So I'll share that link below so that you know that from where you have to buy. Now sheet masks are there for more body parts, like that same concept. So I'll be sharing that also. So I have these two sheet masks. This is by a brand called Luxaderma. So basically what is this? These are socks, okay? So they are socks shaped sheet masks which are dipped into nutrients, and you just need to wear those shorts, So you just wear the socks and go off to sleep. In the morning you will have like wonderful feet. In the same manner they even have gloves, so if anybody has very dry hands, and you just wear them and go off to sleep, and by morning it will be fine. The other type of sheet masks I have, one is for blackhead, around the nose area. So this also is like in step 1, 2 and 3, and I don't know, I think it's by the company Holika, okay. So I have not tried it because I don't get any blackheads or whiteheads around this area, but I'll definitely try. And please let me know if you need a separate what do you say, my know and how about the product, how it suit me or not. And I have one more, and this is for the lips, okay. So this is like for the glossier lips and all. So you came to know how many sheet masks I use, and I'm such a crazy person for sheet masks. And you can see that I have leukoderma on my skin, and my skin is sensitive. It is sensitive, and I have leukoderma or / vitiligo, which is like you get when you have melanin deficiency and white spots come. So your skin is like, you're a little more scared that should I use or not. So I've been using from last 2 years, and trust me, I did not get any reaction all over my skin. But I would definitely suggest that you put it once, and if you get an irritation, like in a second, a minute or two, you'll feel that something is burning or that sensation is going, remove the mask. That means it does not suit you. It doesn't suit you. That means there will be some type of reaction that will happen all over your face. So you come to know within 2 minutes. So I would just suggest that first take or you can do one more thing, is like just cut the packet of the sheet mask and take out little liquid and apply on your skin, and see if you have any rash because of it, then do not put it on your face. Like this is a better way rather than putting your face in the risk. Anyways, I really hope that you guys liked my Korean skincare routine that I follow, and I'm a huge Korean fan. And soon I'll be sharing my favorite shows video. Please keep please stay tuned to watch that. Please like, please subscribe, and please comment on this video. And thank you so much for being such a good sport. Ciao, see you soon.